We have only positive things to say about our experience working with Sosna. As first-time homeowners and first-time renovators, working with Sosna really put us at ease and made us feel confident throughout the whole process. Working with Andre, Vitali, Roman, Anna was a pleasure. The entire staff was very professional and treated our house with a lot of respect. We did quite a bit of research before choosing Sosna. We wanted to make sure that the people that we were partnering with really cared about making our project exactly how we wanted, and the result was fantastic. Our job was a total gut job. We removed a lot of supporting walls, renovated the kitchen, the dining room, and the living room. We put a brick facade, we put brand new appliances and countertops, custom cabinets. Everything was done exactly how we planned it. It was beautiful, and to see our dream sort of become reality is very special. A special shout out to our site leader Vitali. He was fantastic. We saw him on a daily basis. He treated our house like his own, and we were very pleased that he was leading our project. I would highly recommend Sosna for anyone who's going through a major renovation, who really appreciates a lot of planning and detailed work. There was a lot of upfront work that we did with Sosna throughout the planning process that made us feel comfortable that what was going to be the result was well thought out. So everything was amazing. 5 out of 5 stars. Tell your friends. I know I'm going to tell my friends. And if you're ever in the neighborhood, give me a call. You can definitely take a look at the kitchen.